you all just finished a U-try where you got to complete the table of values for a function, and it was an exponential function. F of x equals 1/3 raised to the x. So the x values I gave you were -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Let's see how this one went. So if x is -2, that means that we would really have 1/3 raised to the -2nd power. So that's 1 to the -2nd over 3 to the -2nd, and neither of them are happy where they are, so we're going to switch them around. That's the same thing as 3 to the +2nd over 1 to the 2nd. Okay, we can basically change from numerator to denominator, or denominator to numerator, and your exponent changes sign. Okay? Then 3 squared is 9, 1 squared is 1, 9 divided by 1 is 9. Okay? What if your x value is -1? Then we'd have 1/3 raised to the -1st power. So that's 1 to the -1st over 3 to the -1st. And yet again, neither one are happy. They don't like those negative exponents too well. So this is the same thing as 3 to the 1st power over 1 to the 1st power, which would be 3 divided by 1, which is 3. What if x is 0? Well, anything to the 0 power is 1, so 1/3 to the 0 power would be 1. What if x is 1? Then we'd have 1/3 to the 1st power, which would just be 1 to the 1st over 3 to the 1st, so that's 1/3. And the last one, what if we have 1/3 to the 2nd power? Well, that's 1 to the 2nd power, which is 1, and 3 to the 2nd power, which is 9, so that would be 1/9.